Sorry, ngayon lang ako nakapag-update sa inyo. And right now is my day 2 here in Boracay. And I'm just taking a video for the sunset here in my day 2 Boracay. Ang ganda niya talaga, guys. So, actually, guys, just a short story. This is my first time to go here in Boracay. Seriously, ngayon lang talaga ako nakapunta dito sa Boracay. In a long time. Nang huli ako nakapunta ng beach resort. Kaya ngayon, ini-enjoy ko yung pagpunta ko dito sa Boracay. Kasi the last time I was in this resort is in La Union, in LU. Yeah, I also enjoyed there because that time I had my more water activities because I stayed there for 1 week, something like that. And then, yeah, I do a kayak also, and I tried first time ko mag-try ng surfing. Yung basic lang naman. Kasi syempre di naman tayo magaling mag-surfing first time lang. Hopefully, I can have a chance also here, guys, na matry ko yung mga water activities here also in Boracay. If I have a chance also. Kasi hanggang April 22 na lang kami here, guys, eh. Kaya, ngayon, ini-enjoy ko. Kasi kahapon, yung day 1 ko, hindi na kami masyado nakalibot dito sa Boracay. Kasi nga, medyo natagalan kami sa airport. Tapos, anong oras na kami nakapag-check-in, guys, sa hotel namin dito sa Mandarin Bay Resort and Spa. Ang check-in time namin kasi actually, guys, is 3 o'clock. Kaya yon, after nun, medyo hindi na rin kami nakapag-lunch. Kaya, ayun, after namin mag-check-in, we had our late lunch with my friends. Then, after that, we decided to rest first. So, ngayon lang talaga kami nakalibot dito sa Boracay. Ayan. I'm just enjoying the vibe of the Boracay. This is my first day right now here in Boracay. Pero guys, just a quick question lang. How's my outfit ba? Bakit sa aking outfit ko? Maganda ba ako? Gusto ko na makipagkwentuhan sa inyo actually. And then ipakita sa inyo yung sunset ngayon ng ngayong araw na to sa Boracay, yung paglubog ng araw ng Boracay. Yan, the sunset. But I'm hoping hindi ma-discratch ulit yung aking phone. Alam nyo ba, guys, last time yung nagpunta ako sa LU, nagbibideo din ako using my tripod. This kind of tripod also. Yan. So, sobrang kakulitan ko and kalikutan ko. Nagtatatakbo pa ako. Yan, nagtatatakbo pa ako. Nagkaroon ng accident. Natahulog yung phone ko! Grabe! Kaya kinakabahan ako. Gusto ko sana pumunta dun sa may bandang gitna kasi yung ginawa ko before. At nahulog yung phone ko. Muntik pa mawala. Grabe talaga. Sobrang takot ko kasi nasira yung phone ko noon. Takot ako, guys. Pero syempre, ang ganda talaga niya, guys, Samahan niyo ako mag-enjoy ngayon dito sa Boracay. Tomorrow, guys, I'll just have a quick update to you. Tomorrow, siguro, I'll try to swim here in Boracay. But right now, I just took a video and some photos so I could share to you all my fun and enjoyment here being first time visiting Boracay Island. Yeah, and enjoying the sunset. Grabe, ang ganda niya talaga. Hopefully makapag-water activities rin ako here. And I'm dreaming also to do the kayak also. And some more water activities here in Boracay. Sana, yan. Sexy ba ako, guys? Boracay Island. Kasi, yun nga, first time ko lang dito and I wanna enjoy the view of the Boracay Island. So I could also share to you all of the beautiful views here in Boracay. Ang saya-saya talaga, promise. Gusto ko lang ma-feel yung vibe. Yeah. So I hope you enjoy my video here. Tomorrow, I'll share you with you all everything na nagiging activity ko pa more here in Boracay while I'm here kasi we'll be leaving in Boracay by April 22 morning, just like that. Yes. Anyway guys, thank you for watching my video and I hope you enjoy my quick stories sharing them with my first experience in Boracay, Philippines Islands with the sunset of Boracay Islands. I'm just enjoying the vibe. Yeah. Alam niyo naman guys, right now I'm just moving on. Right now, I'm just kaya I enjoy lang. Enjoy lang tayo. Anyway guys, I'll be back and give you another update and I hope you like my quick story video here in Boracay Islands, Philippines with the sunset. So if you like my video, please like, share and follow my Facebook channel and my other social media platforms, Ivorose.it. See you guys! Join with me guys! I love you all so much! Kasi kahit ako ngayon nag-move on here in Boracay, alam ko nandiyan kayo palagi sa akin para suportahan ako at tamayan ako at hindi nyo pa rin ako iniiwan. Kahit iniwan ako ng aking boyfriend. Grabe naman guys! Sana no, may kasama akong ka-partner para mas ma-enjoy ko sana yung Boracay vibe with the sunset. Kaso, wala na kami eh. Kaya, enjoy ko na lang yung vibe ng Boracay Islands din with the sunset. And I hope you like my outfit. My OOTD outfit right now with my swimsuit. Yan, I hope sexy pa ba ako guys? Parang tumataba na ako no? Oh, grabe talaga. And anyway guys,